Guys, I'm back here again. This is our jumbo prawns. Like I say, everything see it right into the soup to give it the color. Food is not only just about tasting the taste, it's about the color too, because if food must be. So guys, check out our soup. Say what, yeah, girl, you know what's up. Say what, girl, you know what's up. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And like you know, this is a faceless video, and so just focus on the food. What are we having today? Can someone guess there? Anyway, we are having fisherman soup. Which fisherman soup? All things inside the sea are right here today. We have our shrimps, we have our uziza seed and red crayfish. I blended it together. I don't want to leave it too long, so I just dropped the process of the prepping. So you have your uziza seed and your red smoked prawns. You have your periwinkles. I said everything is seafood. We have our snails, jumbo snails. I cut into two to make it for the pot to accommodate it, if you know what I mean. I quality have my jumbo prawns. Our balls already to save time, and we have our crabs, typical crabs. I didn't see the big one on the market this time. And we now have our red sniper. We have white, but this is red, very tasty. I've cleaned it and seasoned it with seasoning cube and salt, garlic and ginger. So this is what we'll be having right here for this soup. And of course, this is our uziza seed. This is our uziza leaf that we'll be using, you know, just to spice up the game. So guys, this is our pepper mix. What I have here is my tomato paste. So of course, you can use it for your jollof rice, and I'm going to make a video. This is my latest collection. You know, I am a caterer too, and this has been mind-blowing. People's buying. It's been my best seller lately. What I have here, my secret recipe I use for jollof rice, for smoky jollof rice, for stew, for eggs, your sauces, grills, of course. You want to grill your fish, you want to grill your chicken, and your spaghetti. Easy, please just take a scoop or two and you're good to go. I'm going to be taking just a little scoop of this for the base of my fisherman soup. And of course, we have our cornstarch. I sometimes use cornstarch. I don't want to use cocoyam, or I don't use it. This is going to be my thickener for today, cornstarch. And of course, our uziza that I'll be slicing pretty now, so that give it the spice, you know what I mean. I'm going to be slicing this to put in my soup. So guys, stay right with me and not go anywhere, and see how this fisherman soup goes. Just very easy, basic, easy peasy step that you will not go wrong in your kitchen. If you just follow through, trust me guys, you will thank me later. So this is our uziza leaf that we'll be using to just give it color, and of course taste too. Alright, so let's get into the video proper. So guys, let's get into the video proper. Well, I'll be steaming my red sniper, just to steam it so she's not raw. You don't want food poisoning in the kitchen. I'm gonna be dropping this what's it called, mix inside the water of the stock. Get our fish, see them pretty in our pots. Let's equally steam our shrimps, still raw. So guys, our fish is steamed now, so I'm going to be putting my tomato base, pepper base precisely, just a little bit, just to give it color and base, if you know what I mean. So I'm going to just turn it like so. So then what I have here is my cornstarch as a thickener. So right here we're adding our uziza seed and our red smoked prawns I blended in them. So guys, I forgot to put our red oil while I was giving you the overview of the ingredients I was using for today. So I'm putting my red oil inside to give it color and taste, like I say. Guys can see the thickness is coming up, the consistency. So I'm going to be putting all my ingredients now. What we have is our snails that I cut because it was too jumbo. Guys, I'm back here again. This is our jumbo prawns. Like I say, everything in the ocean, crabs, prawns, shrimps, snails, what have you. Let's give it a stir. Because of the fish, I'm not going to be using my spoon. All I'm going to just be doing is a gentle mixing so the fish doesn't scatter. Guys, when they say which kind soup my mama cook, of course it's not bonus fisherman soup, guys. Look at it coming out well. We have all our obstacles, prawns. I don't want to scatter it too much because of the fish, snails, crabs. You know, you don't the suckle too, if you know what I mean. Guys, I'm putting our preparing pool lastly. We don't want it to melt. So guys, lastly is our uziza leaf. You don't have to put this if you don't want to, but me by choice, I love putting uziza leaf and uziza seeds like I did earlier. So putting it right into the soup to give it the color. Food is not only just about tasting the taste, it's about the color too, because the food must be pleasing to the eyes before it's pleasing to the taste buds, right guys? So we'll give it a stir. Like I say, we don't want our fish to scatter. Yep, let it steam a little bit and I think we're good to go. So guys, if I did so well to say with my full chest that our fisherman soup is ready. So guys, if it were to be you, what will you be having this fisherman soup with? As for me and my household, we'll be having soft white pounded yam. Of course, not pounded, but you know, it will be rolled with mussel, with love, and you know what I mean. Anyway guys, do so well to like, share, subscribe. I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye.